Phnom Penh, Reuters. A Cambodian court on Saturday, November 18, charged 2 journalists with espionage for filing news reports to a US-funded radio station, which can carry a prison term of up to 15 years. Prime Minister Hun Sen, the strongman who has ruled Cambodia for more than 3 decades, has taken a strident anti-American line in an increasingly tense run-up to a 2018 election and imposed a crackdown on critics, rights groups and independent media. The United States announced it was ending funding for the election, and promised more concrete steps, after the Supreme Court dissolved the main opposition Cambodian National Rescue Party, CNRP, on Thursday, at the request of the government, on the grounds it was plotting to seize power. The party denied the accusation. The 2 journalists, Yuan Chen and Ying Suthiran, had in the past worked for the Washington-based Radio Free Asia, RFA, which broadcast in the Khmer language until it shut down in September. The 2 were charged with providing information that is destructive to national defense to a foreign state, when they were caught filing stories to RFA, said Lee Safina, a spokesman for Phnom Penh Municipal Court. They will be sent to investigating judge for further procedures, Lee Safina told Reuters. RFA has said it has no ties to the 2 journalists. We are watching the situation as it unfolds with great concern, Rohit Mahajan, RFA spokesman, said in an email to Reuters before the charges were brought. Mahajan did not immediately reply to a Reuters request for comment on the charges. A lawyer for the 2 said the charges were too serious and they had merely been doing their jobs as journalists. This is not dangerous to the country, said the lawyer, Keo Vani. The charges carried up to 15 years in prison if the men were convicted, he added. CNRP leader Kem Sokha was arrested on September 3 and charged with treason for an alleged plot to take power with U.S. help. He denied any such plot. The U.S. State Department called on Friday on Cambodia to release him and reverse the decision to ban his party. Hun Sen has been fighting a deepening war of words with the U.S. Embassy and State Department over his government's crackdown on the opposition. Western countries, that for decades supported Cambodia's emergence from war and isolation, have shown little appetite for sanctions in response to the government's crackdown, but the European Union has raised the possibility of Cambodia losing vital trade preferences.